I thought I'd just take a minute and talk to you guys that ice fish about ice augers. And these are Nils Master ice auger heads. It's one piece auger head for hand augers and for power augers. And these will drill a hole through the ice just as fast, if not faster, than any power auger on the market, motorized auger. I'm one of 3 Nils Master ice auger sharpeners in the United States. There's a big misconception about ice augers and ice auger blades that you can't resharpen the blades. And I believe the ice auger manufacturer started that because they want you to buy new blades every time you need them. So I can resharpen not only the Nils heads, I can resharpen any other auger blade on the market. Serrated, straight, it doesn't matter. So I'll show you how sharp these are. I just finished sharpening these. Just right through the paper, just like butter. So anyways, $40 for the Nils heads if you mail them to me. Ice auger blades are $20. That price includes return shipping. You can find my information at DMellow Knives, myshopify.com. You can look me up on Nils Master's website. My number and address is there. I'm happy to help you guys, the ice fishermen. So have a good season, and thanks for watching.